once again, Princess Clitin, Queen of Hearts and Smiles. When I say that, I always burst into laughter. We'll upgrade soon. Well, I'm giving you a grand invite to an event that is taking place on the 17th of October at 10:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. Please keep a reminder, you need to be there. Well, it's the 5th annual Roundtable Conference Against Abuse. And this time around, it's a subject that is close to my heart, child abuse. Do parents have a part to play in child abuse? Get to the program and find out. The link is in the description box, so you can just click on it and get yourself registered, get a friend registered, get a family member registered, so that we all can learn together. Yes, child abuse is dangerous because it only doesn't destroy the child, but it destroys their future. And we always say, children are the leaders of tomorrow. How can they lead in such a depressive state, in such a destroyed state? So we want to help. We want to know how we can help to either eradicate this or reduce it considerably. Get to be a part. I know some people can be saying right now, hooray, I'm not a parent, I don't have a child. Well, if you have someone you can cater for, if you have someone who is a child around you, then you are a parent, as per my definition right now. So you need to be a part of that program. And yes, even if you don't have today, you have to prepare for battle before you go to the battlefront. So eventually, you're going to get a child too. Be a part of that program. Don't be told. I'm registered already. What about you? See you there.